Designed for simple plug-and-drive installation, your new performance module from dieselmodules.com only takes an average of 20 minutes to install. Your new module plugs into the Manifold Absolute Pressure Sensor or MAP sensor and the Common Rail or Fuel Rail sensor. While the locations of these sensors fluctuate based on year, make and model, they are typically easy to get to from the top of the engine. The module is an inline stationary connection between these sensors, requiring no splicing, special tools, or special skills to install. Over 20 years of warranty-friendly combustion technology goes into every diesel performance module at dieselmodules.com. Once you have your new performance module installed correctly, you will immediately notice a dramatic reduction in turbo lag and improved throttle response. You will also be pleased with your engine's new fuel economy, with up to 100 more driving miles per tank. dieselmodules.com, where stock diesel owners go for warranty-friendly performance upgrades.